Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold.
Alhamdulillah, dan para peserta yang telah antusias setelah memeriahkan acara pertama kita.
Different places, I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know I won't let go.
Ayo, mulai. Santai. Bukan sangat hangat. Jangan sampai depan.
Cause we all get lost sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. And I wanna live until I'm old. You shouldn't be fighting on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places,
Ada yang paling nyampai adalah kelompok ini. Dan ternyata benar. Jadi, kami akan kelompok inilah yang menang. Bukan kelompok kalian.
Selamat.
I won't let go.